Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Dogs. My name is Craig, and I am here to share with you my deep passion for programming and the fact that I have the two cutest dogs, Oliver and Chloe, in the entire world. And if you think your dogs are cuter, well, I'm sorry, they're not. But if you want to prove me wrong, please feel free to link pictures in the comments. Now, I am a senior software engineer with nearly a decade of... Get the hell out of my video! With nearly a decade of experience working in the industry. And I've worked for Fortune 500 companies, built enterprise-grade software, architected systems, basically making sure that the code that gets written is scalable, reliable, and of a high enough quality that it can make the company tons of money. And I've learned a lot of skills in that time, in terms of the things that have benefited me in achieving these kind of goals. And that's why I'm here, to share the passion that I have for building this kind of software, which is nearly the same level as Oliver's passion for treats and Chloe's passion for pooping in my office, which she literally just did an hour ago. Welcome to dog life. So, but she is the cutest though. I mean, how could I be mad at her? Anyway, this first video is going to be this first video series really is going to be all about testing. I realize I'm probably dooming my channel from the beginning talking about tests, because everyone always complains about having to write tests. But I'm sorry, if you want to have your software be worth a damn, if you want to handle the non-stop demands and changing requirements when you're dealing with corporate clients, let me tell you, you need to take the time to write high-quality tests, to have the guardrails in place, to make sure that your system is going to be performing the way you need it to today, tomorrow, a year from now, etc. So we're going to dive into this on the front end side using React, one of the most popular frameworks out there in the JavaScript ecosystem. And yes, I'm calling React a framework. I know some of you are going to attack me in the comments saying React is a library. I'm sorry, if you're using React, you're using the React ecosystem, and at that point you're basically using a framework. Flame me all you want. Oh, hi, Oliver. This is my girlfriend Sandra, by the way. The one who forced me to do this channel.
Producer.
my producer and the person who forced me to do this channel, telling me that I should talk to all of you about programming concepts rather than her. So, anyway, this first video is just going to be an intro to testing. We're going to talk about how to set up a front-end project with React Testing Library. We're going to get you to the hello world level with it. But as we build from here, we're going to go into all the core features that React Testing Library offers to use to write tests. We're going to go into planning tests, how to look at your code and understand what tests you want to put into place to guarantee the behavior of the code. We're going to talk about mocking, the pros, the cons, the right way, the wrong way, the landmines that all come along with what should be a simple topic, but really isn't. We're going to talk about how to structure your component code to make it more easily testable. Because like everything, the way we write our code heavily impacts the amount of effort we have to put into tests. If you find yourself suffering and miserable writing tests, it's highly likely that your code is a tightly coupled mess that's very hard to properly write tests for. And so we're going to cover a lot of great techniques to help you with that. And by the end of all of this, whether you're brand new to writing any kind of decent tests with React, or if you've been doing this for a while and are just trying to learn a few new skills and get a little better, I think we're going to convey a lot of information that's going to be really beneficial for you. So again, thank you so much for joining me, and let's dive into it.